Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day so far. Today your boy Sky has a very interesting video about a low cap altcoin which has the potential of 100x. I know you guys love these videos, and the one we're going to be talking about today is SYA. Now this cryptocurrency is not something that you just pump and dump. This one is going to be in for a long run. There are so many good things to talk about. A deflationary currency that is community led and built on transparency. Before we move any further, if you guys are here for the first time and you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with cryptocurrencies, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. That's completely free to do so, but at the same time it will help me and you out as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people. More people will see the positive side of SYA. They decide to buy the token, they decide to join the amazing community, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Let's go for 157 likes. First of all, just looking at the website design, you guys can see the design is very unique and also simple at the same time. SYA is humanizing crypto while empowering the creator economy. Now this has already been listed on CoinMarketCap and also CoinGecko. It has close to 19,000 holders already and also close to 12.5 million market cap. Now that is a little old because it has been updated and it's actually a lot higher than that, and you guys will see down the line. Now talking about the tokenomics, if you do decide to buy this token, you will be charged 10% fee, and that 10% fee will be used for different purposes. First of all, 2% will be redistributed to older holders. The other 2% will be actually held for the community boost. So there is some milestone that the community can hit, and as soon as they actually hit the milestone, it will be redistributed to other people. Now 1% of that will go to charity wallet, which will be given to charities at the end of the week. 2% will be instantly burned, so the circulating supply will decrease, therefore increasing the value of each token, and the price will go up. 2% will be used for liquidity pool to stabilize the price and stop the whales from controlling and manipulating the market. And finally, 1% will be sent to the marketing wallet to actually promote this token. Pretty well put together plan, I will tell you for a fact. Now this is why I like this project a little bit better compared to other ones, because SYA actually has a use case. Now there is a new product that they have released which is called SYA Radar. Now what this radar allows you guys to do is, this is our first attempt to humanize crypto. With SYA Radar you can track your bag, market cap, and also the holder in real time, see the community boost and all your trades. This will make it so you guys will not have to switch between BSC Scan, PancakeSwap, and CoinGecko, which shows you the price of the actual token. You will be able to see all those three things in the same place. All you simply have to do is you need to make your way to SYA Radar. You just need to connect your wallet and you will be able to see everything. And if you have your wallet connected to this, and soon as the community goal comes to an end, you will also receive some extra token. That's what is cool about it. Honestly, to this day, Pancake users struggle with things such as slippage, gas fees, swapping around zeros to swap token. With Save Your Pancake, we are building a layer on top of PancakeSwap, pre-failing things such as slippage, slider for gas fees to improve the experience significantly. This is a great idea because I personally do agree PancakeSwap takes a lot of slippage, and which is annoying. At the moment, you guys can see if we look at their roadmap, they are on stage 1. They have done pretty much most of the things such as prices in USD, buy, sell, reflection. There is also going to be SYA charts coming out very soon. There will be a price calculator, and you will be able to add other cryptocurrencies. This is inside of the SYA Radar. When it comes to Save Your Pancake, they will be releasing a lot of things with that in stage 1 as well. They will want to also make sure that no more slippage, gas fees, failed transaction, also airdrop context will be done. And another thing which is very interesting is they want to release their own wallet in stage 2. And once the own wallet comes in, anyone will be able to make an account just how you make it inside a Trust wallet. And in stage 3, they also want to integrate SY with Flues. Now if you guys don't know what Flues is going to be a utility which will help the creators actually partner up with other people. We are building a next level pro tools that empower you to focus on telling your stories and connecting with your fan base. The Foosh Pro tools are designed to give you the ability to pursue occupational, physical, and financial freedom. Now what's so cool is Foosh is going to be the utility and SYA is going to be the currency. They're going to be working together, so pretty much the utility will be actually working in the back end and it will be connected to SYA. So if something big comes out such as a news, it will be affecting the price of SYA. So you guys can see there is a use case. Obviously the price is super low, so at the moment you do have time to actually buy in before everyone else jumps in, and also they do have a lot of incredible plans that will be coming out towards SYA very soon. If we go back to their website and scroll down a little bit, you guys can see they have also released a game called Peach Drift you can play on Instagram, and if you actually beat the high score you will be able to get some airdrops. If you keep scrolling down, you can see every Friday they do a donation, so that 1% charity wallet, all it is donated to something. They have donated 100,000 to grassroots economists. Viva Con Go, they have donated 150k, and Velt Hunger, they have donated 100k, and their whole team is public. You guys can see they have close to 13 people actually working on it at the moment, and all of them are working very hard. As I always say, whenever the team is public, I decide to trust the wallet or trust the whole project a little bit more, due to the reason that why would they want to go public if this is going to be a rug pull? Obviously, I personally do like this project quite a bit. If we look at their BSC scan, you can see they have close to 19,000 holders, but what's interesting is there's already been 180,000 transactions using this token, which is quite a bit. You guys need to keep in mind 180,000 in such a short period of time is quite a bit. If we look at their actual following, you can see on their Telegram they have close to 10,000 members, which is a lot on Telegram, and if you look at their Twitter page, you can see they have close to 13,000 followers. If you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with this token, I recommend joining their Telegram. Everyone there is actually very active and will tell you anything you need to know. If we look at their chart, you will be able to see on the left side the market cap of this token at the moment is close to 26 million. It's not close to 12 million, it's actually closer to 26 million. And if we look at the overall chart, you can see the token was released exactly 2 weeks ago from now, and it's already done so many big things. It's crazy. They had their initial spike, and then there was obviously a small downfall, then it kept going down due to the whole market crashing. You guys know this week has been horrible for the whole market in general. I personally feel like there is going to be a bull run that is going to come in very soon. Seeing how many new people are actually walking in this token, I would not be surprised if an extreme bull run that pushes over like 65,000 would come in very soon. Now, I know a lot of you guys might have the question, Sky, how do I buy this token? It's very simple. You just need to make a Trust Wallet account. Once you have an account, you just need to go ahead and buy yourself some BNB. You can buy it through Trust Wallet, or you can buy it from somewhere else and transfer it in. Once you do have some BNB inside of your Trust Wallet, convert it to Smart Chain, then you guys need to go to the SYA website. Once you're on the website, click on buy, and then it will take you to PancakeSwap. Once you're on PancakeSwap, just click on confirm, and then you will be on PancakeSwap. On the top it will say BNB, on the bottom it will say SYA. At this point on the right top, you just need to click on connect, and then just connect your Trust Wallet, then just put in the BNB that you want to convert into SYA, and you guys will notice it will do the calculation for you. Then you just need to click on swap, and it will be placed inside of your Trust Wallet. Simple as that. What do I think about this token? I feel like it has a very good longevity rather than just a pump and dump. Like, I just feel like the team is working on a lot of good projects rather than just having someone randomly make something and then just take profit and walk away. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, I highly recommend you guys subscribe. Have a great day ahead, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.